This is a fixer-upper.
It is a fixer-upper.
Hey, what are we doing here? You're supposed to talk to the camera. The people don't know what we're doing here. Emma, what are we doing here?
We're at the Good Guys Car Show.
Emma knows stuff after her dad tells her. We're gonna go look at some cars. There's some cars around.
Why did you bring your GoPro?
Because I do what I want. Alright, we decided we're gonna go to the swap meet and swap Emma for something. We don't know what yet. Babe, there's your 57 Chevy, 2,500 bucks.
Hey, not bad.
Oh, I lost. Where's she at? Hi.
She's looking at that.
There's your 57 Chevy. It's just missing a couple pieces. 2,500 bucks. Yeah. There's just one or two pieces missing, and some don't pay attention to that part.
No, that's fine.
I don't know that it's worth 2,500 bucks, honestly. So far, I don't see anything I can even afford. That's probably my favorite bug I ever seen. 20,000 original miles. That thing is sweet. Here we go. That thing's 74. Hey, they got a couple few things here for sale. A couple. That house is badass. I didn't see that. Look at this Packard. Now that's about the first one that I seen that the pricing seems about alright. Ooh, what about that?
Still need some.
500 bucks. Parts car, missing the doors. You don't really need doors.
No.
This is a fixer-upper.
It is a fixer-upper.
Oh, but yeah.
This thing is really sweet, though.
Yeah.
Doors are
This guy does burnouts. Don't have any tread left on there. What?
5,000? Maybe we should get
That.
We're going too good to be true.
29 Model A for $5,000. Let's make a deal. Oh boy. We gotta get out of here. I like these. Ethan wants this.
Pretty cool. I like it.
Just calling your name. I didn't call you.
Okay, that's the swap meet so far. We found a bunch of things we wanted. We need to get out of here.
Ooh, damn, how much?
That's it. If you gotta ask, it's too much. Babe, this one's my favorite one so far.
My finger.
I like hot dogs. Look at this pinstriping. Oh, thank you very much. That's psychedelic. ice cream? Huh, can't say I've ever had that. Emma, what do you want your first car to be? If you say Honda, we're leaving you here.
No, I don't want a Honda.
Well, give me something.
Nuh-uh.
What do you want?
Probably a Cadillac.
No. Yeah.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Take that.
What about this Mustang right here?
All right, we're not dealing with the next generation. We have hope. Let's find her a Cadillac. Oh, look at twin carb, twin intake. Twin H-power.
That year was 1953.
Most favorite car show.
What do you think about your first car? Your dad's gonna buy it for you.
Yep.
Are you in love
I'll
with it?
paint it.
You don't like the red?
No.
What's wrong with the red?
I don't know. I don't like that kind of red.
What color would you paint it?
Probably like that purple paint job over there.
Oh, okay.
That's a very nice
cool.
paint job.
We're pretty much in heaven here. Hey, what do you have going on here?
Yeah, so go review that barnyard shit once a year with you.
All right, Ethan's next. I'm next. Get
Don't
beard
forget to
extensions.
hand all those to Dorothy.
Pops picked the place up for $1,500 back in 1964. My grandfather was a drinker back in the day, put him down. But a war is known to change a man, and the whiskey's known to change a man. That's not me. I rarely drink from the bottle, but I'll smoke a little weed. I still live in the sticks where you wouldn't go, in a town of 1,200 off an old dirt road, and a country boy is all I'll ever be. Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul to the devil in LA. He said, sign your name here on the dotted line, and your songs, they all will play. He set up shop on Sunset, he put me up at the Marquee. He said,
you wanna sell 1,000,000 records, boy? You better listen to me.
He said,
change your style, whiten your smile. You could lose a couple of pounds. If you wanna live this life, you better lose that wife. Do you need your friends around?
I said, no, that's not me. 'Cause the biggest things in life are your friends and family. And I like my jeans and my old t-shirts, and a couple extra pounds never really hurt. 'Cause a country boy is all I'll ever be. flags fly above my land and really sum up how I feel. One is the colors that fly high and proud, the red, the white, the blue. The other one's got a rattlesnake with a simple statement made. Don't tread on me is what it says, and I'll take that to my grave. Because this is me. I'm proud to be American and strong in my belief. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause I've never needed government to hold my hand. And I've said it before, but I'll say it again, 'cause my family's always fought and died to save this land. And a country boy is all I'll ever be.
I love my country. I love my guns. I love my family. I love the way it is now. And anybody that tries to change it has to come through me. That should be all of our attitudes. This is America, and a country boy's good enough for me, son.
When it was 1992, two little kids stealing records, skipping school. We must have been like only 10, taking life for granted till we learned it had an end. Time is something they say you never appreciate till you age. And to this day you never knew I wanted to be just like you. If I you started slinging coke and got the dopest pair of shoes. But yo, this house just ain't a home since our father hit the bottle and our mother hit the road. Time is something they say, never understand it till it slips away. And looking back, I think you knew I wanted to be just like you. If I